Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we are going to make a set of 3. All right, remember, around and round, just like a bee, that's the way you make a 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. All right, so we are going to drag 3 blocks into the circle, okay? I'm going to touch them and drag. 1, 2, 3. All right, so there are 3 blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, this was a short video, but what I want you to do now is I want you to go grab some Legos or some dolls or some type of toy, little action figure, guys, and I want you to make sets of 3, right? Show your mom 3 objects or grandma or dad 3 things. Bye, guys.